You're used to searching online, but did you know that library search is specifically tailored to support your learning and research, all without the clutter of using a public search engine? You will find the full text of articles, streaming videos and audio, books, ebooks, course materials, and even some past exam papers. All you need is your ZPass to connect with the library online from home, work, on campus, or wherever you are. The library search saves you time and only finds the things you need for your projects. Whether you are just starting out or doing advanced research, you will need specialized material for your field. The library subscribes to a wide variety of databases. We've listed the main ones in tailored subject guides so you can find the key resources for your assignments and research in one spot. Searching a database is a little different to searching the web because it only searches academic content. No matter which database you are using, you can target your search by article, type, year, author, subject, and more. If you need help with this or any of our other services, come and visit us in one of our help zones or ask us online. Connect with UNSW Library, wherever you are.